Now, am I live? Oh, I think I'm live. Hello, everybody. Good morning. And I'm just sorting out some technology and I'll be with you. There we are. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Right. As you know, we are doing Forex Trade 30 within our team, where we are literally going in and showing you what we do on a daily basis to trade and how we will function on a daily basis. So, just done the school run, just got back, just put the washing on, all those sort of little chores that I need to do. So I thought Tuesday is a great day to come and trade. So I've already checked the Forex factory spreadsheet, and the only thing really flagged up today is the Great British Pound, so I need to be aware of that. But before I trade, I wanted to talk to you about something very, very important that if you're going to be a successful trader, you need to have in place. And that is a trading plan. What exactly is your goal? What exactly are you, is your daily limits? What are you trying to get? What is your targets? Because without a proper goal, you are going in and you get greedy and you get emotional, and, you reach a certain target of, oh, I've just grabbed this many pips today. And then you think, oh, but how many more could I grab? But if you had a plan and you had a certain set amount of pips that you were going for, or a percentage growth that you're going for, you can just stop trading, because it can get very addictive with regards to, if you're having a winning day, you could just say, oh, I'm just going to keep going, I'm going to keep going. But actually that's sometimes the worst thing you can do, because once you've reached your goal, just grab those profits, lock them in and go. This is where I've made mistakes in the past, where I've not had a set plan and I've literally just kept going that day, and then everything that I've won in a day, because I've kept going and I've got greedy, I've taken a silly trade because I've got all excited and it's hit a stop loss and it's blown out my profits for the day. So since I've had my plan in place, I've become a much better, more sensible, less emotional trader. And I'm just going to share with you, if I can, the trading plan that we use in our team. Let me just can I make that smaller so that I disappear a little bit? There we go. Right, this is, bear with. This is our trading plan. This is a spreadsheet that our team put together. And as you can see, what you do here is you can put in the percentage growth that you actually want to achieve. Now, we have daily plans, we have monthly plans, 6-month plans, but I like to use the daily one. So this is just as an example of how your money can compound and grow with the trading. So say you wanted to put a 2% growth a day. Say you wanted to grow your account by 2%. Now, that doesn't sound a lot, but that is a very sensible, very easy to achieve goal. And let's say you're starting with $1,000 trading, okay? So we're starting a month one, no, we're on day one. And my daily pip goal is 10 pips a day. Now, 10 pips a day can relate to any sort of amount that you put your lot size at. So this tells you how to do it properly. This tells you what sort of lot sizes you need. So let's just go through this sheet and show you. So on day one, you're starting with $1,000. You want to grow your account by 2%. So you need to make in profit $20, which is a lot size of 0.20. And at the end of day one, you've got in your account $1,020, right? Pretty simple stuff, right? Let me just say that this is just a probability using maths of how your account can grow. This isn't set in stone. You'll have good days, bad days. Nothing is so structured as this when it comes to trading, as we all know. So I just need to make that clear. But this gives you a mathematical idea of what is achievable. Now, day two, you're starting now with $1,020 because you made $20 yesterday. You're still going for 2%, so you need to make $20.40. 40 cents. Sorry, I get confused, dollars and pounds. But you're staying on the same lot size. So you're actually starting your next day with 1,040.40, right? So you do it again. So you're only going for $20 profit, right? This might seem small fry. You might think to yourself, oh my goodness, I'm not going to be able to retire on this. This is like crazy. But you wait and watch what happens with this, right? So now you're trading with $1,061 going into, this is only day 4, right? you're now starting $1,061. Where can you get this kind of return in a bank? If you put your savings in a bank, this is not going to happen, right? So let's just skip ahead a little bit. 20 days time. You have turned your $1,000 into $1,485 in 20 days, going for only 2% a day. Pretty outstanding, right? So if you think that's outstanding, let's go to the next one. So we've done 20 days, we're on the next 20 days, so we'll say, you know, this is 21 days. So you'll start in 21 days on $1,485, right? You're still going for your 2%, but now you'll want to make nearly $30 in profit, taking your total up to 1,515. So after another 20 days of doing that, notice how you start to put your lot sizes up as your account increases. See, so now you're playing with a lot size of 0.40. So you're going for like the $40 a day. You have turned your $1,000 into $2,208.04. Right? So you can see the power of compounding. But look, as you go through this tracker, you've got 20 days, 40 days, you know, as it goes on. Look, when you get to 12, this is another 20 days time. Look how much this has turned into. Doing that every day, 115,000. 115,000, and this is based on 2% growth, starting with $1,000. So you can see how this is an incredible plan that you can put in place for your financial freedom. As you know, you can do this while you're, you know, if you're still working, you can come in and you can learn how to trade. You've seen us do this on Forex Trade 30. You can come in and you can do a quick fire trade and you can be done within half an hour and grab your 10 pips for the day. Right, this is going to 10 pips a day. You can come into quickfire, grab 10 pips a day in like 20 minutes. So this isn't going to take a lot of time, but there is an educational program that you can go through as well. We will teach you how to do all this in our team. With IML as well, you get the SwipeTrades, you get the web analyzer, you get the crypto web analyzer, the Harmonic Scanner, the live TV, the IML Academy. Right, all of these ways and products that you can use to grow and compound your account. Right, let me just go back to Facebook so I can see who is here. Right, so thank you everybody for jumping on. I hope that has given you an insight as to what is achievable, what is possible. It really is an incredible plan, and this is mine, and it sits on my desk every day, and every day I go in and I say, right, what am I starting with? How much do I need to get today to do my 2%? And then as soon as I get my 2%, as soon as I've done it, I stop. I stop and go do something else because I don't need to do any more, because this is my plan now. There's no need for me to get greedy and say, oh, but if I just go and do another one, I could get this and this, because if you go and do another one to get a few more, you might lose and you might blow your profits. So trade safely, trade with proper risk management, trade with a good plan. And I swear to you, this will work, right? Don't go in blindly, just, you know, grabbing pips and doing all this stuff. Thank you, Graham, for all the love. You really do need a plan. And I can't stress that enough, because I have been, you know, I've been on the roller coaster of trading. I have lost money, I've won money, I've been all over the place, but now I am focused. I have my plan, I'm focused, and this is working and I am winning. So if you want to know more, you can join my Facebook group, which is Forex Trading Made Simple. It's called Making Sense of Forex Trading. I'll pop a link into this chat so that you can come and join my group. That's right, Darren. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. It's such a cliche, but it's so true. And anybody that is succeeding within trading has a plan. So, you know, follow the people that are winning. They have a plan. You need a plan. We have a plan in our team, don't we, Darren? Ooh, it's really cool. Anyway, come and join my Facebook group, and I'll pop this video in there anyway, and I'll drop the spreadsheet for the plan in my Facebook group. So that is a massive bonus to anybody joining my group. Okay, there's no obligation once you come in, it's just a group to come and have a look at what we're doing. But you can look at this spreadsheet and you can put your own figures into it, and you can see how much you can achieve with maths. And you know, this is what is possible, guys. This is what is possible with Forex trading if you do it sensibly. So anyway, I'm waffling, and I need to go and do some trades now because I need to go and get my 2%. So I'm going. But thank you so much for everybody that jumped on today. I really appreciate you being here. And don't forget to check out all the other hashtag Forex30s to see what all of us are doing and how we are grabbing those 10, 20 pips a day. So thank you, everybody. Let me just say hello to Mike, Darren, Sarah, Graham, Haley, Bernie, Mary, James. Wow. Thank you very much, everybody, and have an awesome day. Right, I'm going to go now. If I can work out this technology, I'm going to shut that down. End live video. End.